Phil Hardy. Gareth Owen, good interplay. Given away though by Hardy, but a misunderstanding. The West Ham ranks. Gareth Owen's shot. Connolly just not following up. Dix wants the ball. It's not given. Lazaridis is there. The angle's difficult. Well, maybe he should have done better. Connolly's touch though, not strong enough. Lampard. Covers Wrexham down that right side. Header comes in from Michael Hughes. Breaker's seen a lot of the ball down this right-hand side. Lazaridis, difficult angle. He did well though. Marriott was tested. Given away rather by Tony Humes. Bishop, again Breaker joining the attack. Hughes, Breaker's continued his forward run. Strong challenge by Ward. Hughes, comfortably dealt with though by the Wrexham goalkeeper Marriott. Williamson. Decided against the forward pass. Good ball into the middle, away by Brian Hughes. Good defensive midfield play by the Wrexham player Brian Hughes, conceding the first corner of the second half. Left-footed, Marriott stays on his goal line. Gathers the ball from the header by Bilic. And that's the nearest West Ham have come to scoring, maybe. The ball played across a good corner by Hughes. Bilic, nearly a free header, but gathered well by Andy Marriott. Watkin will chase. Gets the better of Julian Dix. Fairley, Chalk, needs a good cross. It only needed a touch from Connolly. So it's Gareth Owen with this corner for Wrexham. Headers by Carey, touch in, saved by McCluskey and over by Humes. The Wrexham captain knows he should have scored. Well, there was confusion in the West Ham defence. The ball came in from Gareth Owen. Wasn't dealt with particularly well, and in the end it just fell to Tony Humes, and he just blasted it over. A let-off for West Ham. Well won by Dix. McGregor back to Carey. Pressure again on Wrexham. Handball against Humes, not given. Well, it seemed to be as the ball was headed back, as the Wrexham defender was running back towards his goal, that there was contact made with the hand. Cross goes under pressure. Ward. Well, if Wrexham would have scored then, McCluskey would have been so embarrassed. Hughes. Strong run by Brian Hughes. Challenge came in though, it drops to Ward. Peter Ward. McGregor's throw. Chalk is there. Chalk. Watkin. Watkin. Russell. He scored! Kevin Russell, with less than a minute to go, has scored and maybe taken Wrexham through in the most dramatic style into the next round of the Cup and caused a great upset here at Upton Park. What drama! Delight for the supporters. Substitute Kevin Russell. Well, as the ball was knocked forward, Shaw played it to Steve Watkin. Watkin turned, saw that the substitute Russell was alongside him. Lovely weighted pass, spectacular left-footed, no chance for McCluskey. And would you believe it, Wrexham seemingly have done it. They could well be in the fourth round. And a trip to Peterborough. 2.5 minutes of injury time played. Watkin battling away with Ferdinand. Breaker downfield, and that's it. Philip Don blows the final whistle. Great drama here at Upton Park. Kevin Russell has sealed a famous Wrexham victory. The great giant killers of the last 20 years, Wrexham, have claimed another scalp, and this time it's struggling West Ham. Kevin Russell takes Wrexham through. Final score at Upton Park, West Ham 0, Wrexham 1. It's Wrexham at Peterborough in the 4th round.
Well, the best way to describe it is fairy tale, isn't it? The substitute comes on, Kevin Russell scores a goal the way he did in the last minute, and it's his first goal of the season. I mean, it's sometimes hard to believe.